Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create sequences on HubSpot. Sequences are powerful automation tools designed to streamline your sales outreach and follow-up processes. They allow you to send a series of targeted emails and create tasks automatically, ensuring consistent communication with your prospects. This helps nurture leads efficiently, saving your team valuable time and effort. You can easily enroll contacts individually or in bulk. To begin building your sequence, navigate to the Automation section, then select Sequences and click Create Sequence. From there, you can add various steps, including pre-written email templates and automated tasks. It's crucial to define appropriate delays between each step, often ranging from 1 to 3 business days, to ensure a natural and effective communication flow with your contacts. Personalization is key to successful sequences. Utilize personalization tokens, such as first name or company name, to make each email feel unique and relevant to the recipient. You can enroll contacts one by one directly from their record, or efficiently enroll multiple contacts in bulk from a filtered list. Always ensure your enrollment criteria are precise, targeting the most suitable prospects for your outreach. After launching your sequences, it's vital to monitor their performance closely. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and reply rates to understand engagement. Consider /B testing different email subject lines or body content to optimize effectiveness. Use this valuable data to make informed adjustments to your sequence steps and timing, continuously improving your outreach strategy for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.